So I'm going to do a lesson on dilations very quickly, and it's not super bad. It's not a really terribly difficult concept, but it does require a little bit of understanding. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an image, and I'm going to call this A, this one B, this one C, and the coordinates of A are 1, 7. The coordinates of B are 4, 7. And the coordinates of C are 4, 5. And the idea behind a dilation is that the object's going to grow or shrink. And so what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to pick a center of enlargement. And my center of enlargement is going to be right here. And so my center of enlargement, or center of enlargement, or the center of dilation, either way, is going to be at the point 3, 8. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change, I'm going to dilate my figure ABC the scale factor of 2. And so there's really 3 things you need to have in order to do a dilation. The first thing is you need to have an object, which we have. There's our object, that's part 1. You need to have a center of enlargement, or a center of dilation, which is there, like I said, they're both the same thing, and that's this right here. And then you have to know how much you want to increase it by. So all you have to do is you're going to start your center of enlargement. I'm going to say, all right, to get to A, I need to go over 2 and down 1. So if I go over 2 to the left and down 1, and I multiply that by 2, that's the same as going over 4 and down 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. This is my new A. I'm going to call it A prime. So A prime is at -1, 6. To get to B, I'm going to go right 1 and down 1. So multiply that by 2, my scale factor, and that's the same as going over 2 and down 2, and that's my new B. Call that B prime. And that's going to be, let's see, 5, 6. And then if I do C prime, I'm going to go over 1 and down 1, 2, 3. That's the same as going over 2 and down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I shouldn't say the same, but that's my enlargement. So let's say now I'm at 5, 2, and if I get my ruler, I'm going to draw my line here. And let's see, and let's see, here we go. Do this one. Here. Alright, and this is C prime. And now, I'm going to do one more very, very quick. This one's going to be super quick, because there is something I want to show you. If I want to have a scale factor of 3, scale factor of 3, I'm going to start from here again. And once again, I went over 2 and down 1, so it'd be over 6 and down 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. That's prime. Down, over 1, down 1. I have to go over 3 and down 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This would be B double prime. And then to get to C double prime, I have to go over 1, 2. I'm sorry, over 1, 1, 2, 3. Which would be over 3, 1, 2, 3, and down 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this would be C double prime. And I'm going to pull out my ruler again. And there's something that you should notice. A, B, and A, C, B prime. Let me just rephrase that. A to C. A prime to C prime, and A double prime to C double prime all have the same slopes, which makes the lines parallel. Now, you can see I did 3 enlargements of my original figure, which was ABC. And then, check this out, this is kind of slick. If I've done it correctly, I'll do this in this color. If I've done it correctly, all my points should line up. And sure enough, they all do. They all three line up. And that's it. That's the idea behind this, and I'll put down the coordinates of A double prime, B prime, and C double prime in case you're interested in trying to do this at home on your own and you're just curious to see what it actually became. This was 6, 5, and then C double prime was 6, -1. Alright, that's it. That's the video. Thanks.